Hey, welcome to another edition of In the Lab with LOCTITE. Today we're going to be talking about how to apply it with a bolt in a blind hole. So I'm going to bring somebody in, an expert here, to explain how that's done, okay? So this is a Henkel Applications Engineer, Darell. Welcome aboard here.
Thanks, Phil.
Awesome. So what do we got? Show me this. I'm excited about this. This is going to be great. What do we got?
Our blind hole demo is this acrylic block that we use to simulate basically the two different types of applications.
Okay.
Most applications would be a nut where it's a through hole and there's no bottom to the hole, so to speak, so there's no air blockage, and you can get good flow of the thread locker through those threads. The blind hole, on the other hand, simulates some applications where it actually does have a bottom, and because of that, when you run the bolt into the hole, the air that gets displaced by the bolt ends up pushing the thread locker out.
So what are we going to do first?
Well, we'll do the traditional through hole technique first.
Okay.
Just to show how easily the thread locker will penetrate the threads after we apply the thread locker to the threads on the bolt.
All right.
So here's our through hole on the right. Drops.
So this would be a typical bolt nut application with a through hole. You can see the thread locker is sitting down and all the threads down there. Yeah, that's going in nice. All right, sweet. All right, that's simple enough.
Exactly. Now the next one, instead of penetrating easily, you will see that the material gets pushed backwards by the air that is being displaced from the hole.
Ah, yeah. See that bubbling up? Yeah. So it's pushing all that thread locker right out of the hole there.
Exactly.
Ah, okay.
And now finally, the proper technique, in order to displace the air, you put the thread locker into the hole so that as the air is displaced and pushes out, it will plunger the thread locker up and onto the threads.
There it goes. It's climbing right up. Wow. That's awesome. Hey, right way to do it, right?
Neat.
See, that's an important thing to remember. Now we have all these great products and they do a wonderful job, but you really need to know how to apply them. You need to know what kind of products you can use them on and how the specific techniques relate to that product, okay? So Darell, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Take care.
Alrighty, and that was another episode of In the Lab with LOCTITE. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. For everyone watching, if you have any questions on this topic or any other topics that you would like to see explained on future segments, just call the Henkel Technical Information Line at 1-800-LOCTITE.